Yesterday, I finished my 60 days of One Punch Man Challenge. I want to share with you what happened from day 30 to day 60 and what kind of progressions I've made. After day 30, posted on social media and I want to take a break. But the post went viral. People are beginning to recognize me and asking me for a lot of advice, and I have to continue to maintain. I was so glad it went viral, otherwise maybe now I'll go back to day 1. From day 30 to day 60, it is 10% workout and dieting and 90% mental. After a while, you get spot and start to think, is there simpler ways to do it? We want to just stop.
Or heat in the winter, so you can strengthen the mind, strengthen the mind, strengthen the mind, strengthen the mind.
I want to share with you 3 things that helps me mentally. Number 1, have a mental picture. I'll watch YouTube videos of those guys with a perfect body. Other times when I'm running and I feel tired, I imagine that each step I take is burning off those irritating visceral fats. Number 2, having an accountability partner or accountability group. In fact, in my first 30 days, there are times where I don't feel like doing anymore. But I have a friend called Bowen. He's also posting on his workouts. Times when I'm very tired, I just continue to do because I want to post on his post saying that I completed my workout. So join our accountability group, encourage one another. I think it helps a lot when someone else acknowledges your hard work. Number 3, continue to have fun. Remember to have fun. It's okay to have variety. Keep it simple, but make sure that you enjoy the process. I can't help but think that maybe Saitama lost his hair because mentally he became bored. He has no friends to actually work out with. So this is my results after 60 days. Day 1.
Day 30.
Day 60. My weight did not change. I dropped my visceral fats and my body age. It's okay to maintain and continue to keep fit from day 60 to day 90. I'll be traveling quite a bit this month. I'll be bringing around this resistance band and add weights to my routine. Continue to work towards a healthier body, one step at a time. So go for it, guys. See you guys 90 days later.